Dr. Tiwari.
The Election Commission of India has announced the third phase of special intensive revision for the remaining state and UTs of the country. Accordingly, Meghalaya is also covered in this phase of SIR, and the date concerned with the SIR exercise in Meghalaya or the qualifying date of SIR in state will be 1st October 2026. For the preparation, training and printing of enumeration forms etc., the timeline is from 20th June to 29th of June. House to house visit by BLOs, the schedule will be from 30th June 2026 to 29th July 2026. And rationalization of polling station will happen on that last day by 29th July 2026. And draft roll will be published on the 5th August, and period for filing of claim and objection will be from 5th August 2026 to 4th September 2026. And notice phase including disposal of claim and objection will continue from the 5th August 2026 till 3rd October 2026, and final roll will be published after completion of the exercise on the 7th October 2026. So this is the detailed schedule, and accordingly the necessary preparatory exercise already been taken up earlier as per the instruction of Honorable Election Commission of India, and state of Meghalaya is ready for the conduct of special intensive revision in our state as per the schedule provided by Honorable Commission. And we had a round of discussion and meeting with all political parties of the state, schedule and the needful procedure of SIR has already been briefed, and all the queries concern raised by political parties that is also been addressed. We requested them for appointment of the booth level agents from their end, and we are expecting positive response from the political parties, because booth level agents are also very much important stakeholder at the grassroots level to work in each part polling station along with the BLOs, so to maintain the transparency, and we are fully committed to keep this entire SIR exercise transparent, free, fair, and make our electoral roll healthy and error-free.
What are the documents needed to prove that when somebody comes for a sale?
Basically, there will be the enumeration phase. So in the enumeration phase, the house listing operation, no additional document will be required. But there are the 4 categories of the voters. If we see, electors whose names are registered in the voter list of 2005, so such electors are required to submit only the relevant part of the extract of that year's voter list along with the enumeration form. And another category whose names are not found in the 2005 voter list and who were born in India before 1st July 1987. So such electors are required to submit only self document along with the enumeration form. One of the self document, there are the 11 such document already the list been provided by Election Commission of India. So the other category will be the electors who were born between 1st July 1987 and December 2nd December 2004, and whose mother and father's name is not registered in that voter list. So such electors are required to submit the self document and document of either their mother or father along with the enumeration form. And another category, the electors who were born after the December 2004 and whose mothers and fathers name are not registered in that year's voter list. Such electors are required to submit the self document, mother document and father document along with the enumeration form. So all the voter list is already uploaded and it is in the public domain as on the 1/1/2005. So and the mapping exercise also compared to present updated electoral roll is being taken up with the previous one, and more than 68% mapping exercise already completed in the state. So around 16,14,000 voters out of 23,44,000 already been mapped with the previous SIR our roll, and remaining mapping exercise could not find. Then all the necessary document and preparatory work are being taken up. There are so why birth certificate is not only one document. There are certain they might have the SC, ST, OBC certificates also. There might be passport, and there are certain other list of the documents are there. So ration card might be there. So they can produce any document, and if they already mapped and then extract of the voter list, mother, father, everything. So I don't think there will be any major problem in respect to the documents in the state.